everyone. I am going to discuss about food preservatives, natural and chemical preservatives. Food preservations definition. Food preservation is the technique to prevent food spoilage, food poisoning and microbial contamination in food. Objectives of food preservations: to prevent microbial contamination, to kill pathogens, to minimize food spoilage and food poisoning. Food preservation method. Food preservation started long back in ancient times. Cooling, freezing, fermentation, sun drying, etc. are few age-old food preservation techniques. With the advance of technology, modern methods of food preservation were developed. Chemical and other natural substances were used for preservations, drying, picking, and sugar, salting, and cooling. Next, natural food preservations. Oils. Oils have been used in the natural food preservatives for food industry techniques for against its natural acquiring ingredient used in several food for preservation, owing to its capability of stopping the penetrations of moisture within food product. Oxidation process are also halted, leading to drying and fungus development. It is widely used in pickling as the layer is formed on the food surface. Toppings oxidation process those further increase the shelf life of preserved food like pickles. Oils known as for its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. Salt. Salt is another natural preservative that help retain the water within the food. It is also used in pickled food for stuffings, food spoilage, vegetables in derived from area, store it for a longer shelf life. After adding salt to any cut vegetables help stop the from turning brown due to their antioxidant ability. Salt is a work by the drawing water out of food dehydration. It is an inhibit microbial growth. The next, sugar. Sugar also tops the list of natural food preservation techniques. It locks afford moisture which reduce the changes of spoilage. In addition, sugar is heavily added to in order food to preserve the for a long times. Species. Natural food preservatives example include red chilies and thyme and rosemary and oregano, which are used to preserve several types of food. The species also help prevent food oxidations, which preserves it for longer time. Next, vinegar. Vinegar is a type of citric juice used as an antioxidant from preserved. The use of vinegar has been from a historical period. These types of antioxidant is generally created from fermentation techniques from apples, grapes, and dates and others. Garlic contains antiviral properties which help to preserve food for longer time. Food that is coated the garlic permits a lower bacterial growth than other preservatives. Ascorbic acid, another name for vitamin C, which has crucial antioxidant properties. Lemon has been used for pickling and other preservatives actives for more than month. Slurry, it contains sodium nitrate which prevent bacterial growth. And then next, chemical preservatives. Chemical preservatives are chemical compounds that are added to food to prevent spoilage and extend shelf life. They are used to inhibit the growth of microorganisms like bacteria, mold, and yeast. Lactic acid, found in fermented dairy products such as yogurt, sour cream, and cheese. Lactic acid is produced by bacteria during fermentation. It's not only preserve the food but also in fact are distinctive tangy flavor. Benzoic acid, used in acid food like fruit juice, pickles, and tomato sauce, it's more effective against bacteria and yeast. Sodium benzoate, a sort of benzoic acid that's used to prevent spoilage in food. It's tasteless and odorless. Nitrates and nitrates, used in meat products and like being bacon and sausage and corned beef, they inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungi. Sorbic acid, an antifungal agent that is used to inhibit the growth of mold and yeast in cheese, baked goods, and some meat. Sulfites, and used in dried foods and wine, beer, and processed food and they help maintain color, inhibit browning, and control microbial growth. Citric acid, widely used in soft drink candies and processed food, citric acid serves both as preservations and flavor enhancer, providing to store stays. It also helps preserve the color and structure of food. Few added characteristics of chemical preservatives. Non-toxic, does not affect the flavor, taste or aroma of the food, kill microorganisms rather than inhibiting them. Advantages of food preservatives, natural and chemical preservatives. Extend shelf life, reduced food waste, improved food safety, cost effective, and then maintains nutritional value, preserves appearance and structures. Next disadvantage, health concerns, allergic reactions, overuse and dependency, consumer preference and environmental impact, nutrients loss, taste and structure alterations. Thank you.